Hi everyone, my name's Julia and I just want to showcase some of the beautiful artworks that were created this term during our term 4 portraiture classes. So students were able to choose whether they want to do a portrait of themselves or of their favorite pet. I hope you enjoy this and I look forward to seeing everyone in the New Year's for our summer school holiday workshops, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.